Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 steps to stay positive. With all the stress and challenges that we face in our daily lives, it's easy to get bogged down by negative thoughts and emotions. However, it's important to remember that positivity is a powerful tool that can help us lead a more fulfilling and successful life. So, let's get started with the 10 steps to stay positive. Step 1. Practice gratitude. The first step towards staying positive is to practice gratitude. Take some time out of your day to appreciate the good things in your life, whether it's your health, your family, or your job. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can shift your mindset towards a more positive outlook. Step 2. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mood and attitude. So, try to surround yourself with positive people who uplift and encourage you. Being around people who radiate positivity can help you maintain a positive mindset even during tough times. Step 3. Stay active. Exercise is a proven mood booster. So, make sure to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Even a short walk or a few minutes of stretching can help improve your mood and reduce stress levels. Step 4. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable goals and working towards them can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-confidence. However, it's important to set realistic and attainable goals. Unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and a negative mindset. Step 5. Practice mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more aware of your thoughts and emotions and learn to manage them better. This can help you maintain a positive mindset even in challenging situations. Step 6. Laugh more. Laughter is the best medicine. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. So, try to find humor in everyday situations and make time to laugh with friends and family. Step 7. Take care of yourself. Self-care is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. Make sure to prioritize your physical and mental well-being by getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and taking time to relax and recharge. Step 8. Focus on solutions. When faced with a problem, it's easy to get caught up in negative thinking. However, focusing on solutions rather than dwelling on the problem can help you maintain a positive mindset. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, focus on what you can do to make things better. Step 9. Learning from failure is a natural part of life, and it's important to learn from it rather than letting it bring you down. When faced with failure, take a step back and analyze what went wrong. Use this as an opportunity to learn and grow, and remember that every failure is a step towards success. Step 10. Practice self-compassion. Finally, it's important to practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would give to a friend. Remember that everyone makes mistakes and has flaws, and that's okay. By being kind to yourself, you can maintain a positive mindset even during challenging times. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more such videos.